NUST School of Engineering and Computer Sciences, SEECS, was founded in 1999 and is now renowned as the center of excellence across the world. The institute had a very humble beginning and started operations in a rented house with 3 rooms and 67 students. In the decades, SEECS has grown into a world-class institution with over 1,500 students and has international collaboration with universities like MIT, Stanford, and Caltech, to name a few. SEECS offers doctorate, postgraduate, undergraduate, and certificate-level programs in electrical engineering, computer software engineering, and computer sciences.
I have found NUST people to be very intelligent, and they have come a long way in understanding their relationship with customers in the United States. Their communication skills are excellent, and so far every single customer that we have worked with has come back to us and given us additional work. So it's been a very great pleasure in discovering this gem in Pakistan, and I call it a different country within Pakistan. So it's just amazing.
These programs are taught by a team of highly capable and dedicated professionals comprising 22 PhDs and 42 MS faculty members.
I'm a visiting faculty at NUST. I teach intellectual property, which has to do with patents and trademarks. NUST is real good at working with the industry. I'm an inventor and entrepreneur for Silicon Valley, and I've been able to recruit a team over here which is probably as good as any team you would find in Silicon Valley. Quality of the staff is very good, faculty is high quality, and the talent is one of the best talents that you would find here.
The faculty equip the youth with the practicable skills to enter the world of opportunities and capitalize on the huge IT market of the 21st century.
The application basically answers these 3 questions like what is your current location, what is around you, and how can you reach your destination. So the first module deals with the outdoor navigation, which deals with this huge H2 campus. We are using a very cutting edge technology known as augmented reality. Augmented reality is overlaying information on live camera view of the mobile screen.
Since its inception, merit is one of the distinguishing features of education at SEECS. It is the sole criteria for decision-making at all levels, from selection of faculty and staff to admission and evaluation of students. Due to the high standards maintained over the years, SEECS has become the center of global attention due to the emphasis on research and development. The research conducted at SEECS is par excellence and matches the international standards. On an average, SEECS publishes over 40 research papers in a year. By far the leaders of research and development in Pakistan, students from top leading universities across the globe come to SEECS to carry out research and develop ideas on a regular basis.
The regular phone meetings, joint supervision at SLAC and at NUST, together with email, instant messaging, has worked well in keeping tasks on track even over the long distances and 12-hour time differences. In the 7 years I've been working at Stanford with the NUST students, I've found the students extremely well trained, dedicated, and a joy to work with. It has been a pleasure working with NUST on these things.
I'm very impressed because of the amount of talent that I've become aware exists in Pakistan and particularly in NUST. I work with a lot of very talented people within NUST on the project that I am in. And I've also been very impressed by the fact that apart from myself, there are other international students who come here to conduct their research, particularly as freshmen.
So I felt that SEECS has done that very well, and that there's a lot of development for the future. There's a lot of potential. The students work very hard. They are guided well by the faculty, and it's an exciting place to do research. So this is why I'm delighted to be able to come over to Pakistan and to join SEECS and to play my part in developing this further in the future. So it's going to be very exciting.
SEECS helped me a great deal because the kind of research experience that I built up while working as a research assistant at SEECS was what these top universities were looking for. Pakistan is in dire need of security professionals, so I wanted to focus my PhD on network security, and the skills that I'm currently developing at Berkeley are Number one, I'm trying to figure out, like, given a Philotrope network or say, let's say, system logs, how do you figure out that what went wrong in those logs, and how do you really model that information? That's one of the things that I'm working on.
As a market leader in research and development, SEECS has collaborated with a number of international organizations to optimize the research and development facility. SEECS is the only institution in Pakistan which has collaborated with CERN, Center for European Nuclear Research. CERN is the holy grail of research in Europe, and every postgraduate student wishes to work there. Our students have the privilege to work with them, and this has opened new dimensions for research and development in Pakistan. SEECS launched a program designed to build the interest of school children in science and technology. Excellent, a 2-week training session is very popular among the school children as they get to work in actual labs under the guidance of experienced researchers and get first-hand information about the developments in science and technology.
I'm a final year student doing electronics engineering from SEECS NUST. Development of telesurgical robot is my final year project. Telesurgical robotics is a new concept, and a lot of research is being done around the world on this subject. Basically, it helps the surgeons to operate the patients in remote areas or even in war zones. It can also be fitted in ambulances.
I am final year student of NUST SEECS. Wheelchair automation is our project. The idea behind is to help the disabled by providing them cost-effective automatic wheelchair. And the knowledge that I have applied in this my project is because of my dedicated teacher. I am proud to be a student of NUST SEECS.
The name of this project is Digital Image Calibration for Multiple Projector Systems. In this project, multiple projectors are used to create a seamless view. As you can see in this picture, 3 projectors are stitched together to create an ultra-wide display. This technology has been implemented for the first time in Pakistan, and it was through the support of NUST that we were able to successfully complete this project.
This is a sensor which goes inside the generator, and it can actually record the level of the fuel inside the generator. So diesel level is recorded using the sensor. The sensor readings go back into this microcontroller over here. The microcontroller then talks to a couple of other devices and makes sure that if there is any abrupt changes, it detects those, or if it turn it off, then basically detect it at the back end as well. So using this SIM, this GSM modem can actually communicate with the backend server, so send all the information wirelessly from the BTS site back to the central server. We also have a camera module which is actually integrated over here to another PCB, which takes a picture and sends it back. All this information is being displayed in real time on the Google Maps system at the backend database, as well as being displayed on the screen over here as well.
We have excellent faculty and students which have really created a hallmark as far as research and teaching standards are concerned in the country, within the country, as well as at the international level. NUST School of Electrical Engineering has been contributing in nurturing a very vibrant research culture within itself, and as well as enabling all other institutions of this area in the country.
NUST School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science started as an entrepreneurial venture in a 3-bedroom house. The story is very interesting because there were only 4 people initially managing the institute, and we were required to manage all the resources from the money we earned. That is how this institute was started. Now this institute has about 1,400 undergraduate students, close to 200 graduate students, and about 90 faculty members, out of which 40 are PhD degree holders in one department, which is quite unique from any standards within Pakistan as well as abroad. These faculty members are engaged in cutting-edge research, not only the technologies which we develop for the local industry, but for Silicon Valley industry as well. We have very vibrant collaborations with international universities like Stanford, Caltech, Center for European Nuclear Research in Geneva, and we are working some of the companies which worth over $11 billion like Marvel Technologies in Silicon Valley.